Nice to meet you. That is still undoubtedly my favourite way to start the day. Easily. Jumping in the pool, in the sun, can't complain. Right, we are going to meet George at this cafe. The boys went out last night, and apologies, there hasn't been a vlog with the boys properly yet. We did some clips, but we're having such a good time, I'm forgetting to film. So now that we've had a bit of time to have a bit of a laugh, I'm getting back on the vlogs now. So, today, we do have a mission. Speaking of, who's this handsome fella? Ooh. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello. Good, 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 good. How you doing, bro? Haven't seen you in a long time.
Just ordered.
Yeah?
Right.
I'm just saying that we have a mission. And that mission today is that we need to find a fourth person to play paddle tennis with us. And we haven't yet met anyone that's free to do it, so not sure where we're going to find someone.
We actually go to the club.
Yeah.
See if anybody's hanging around and say, look, you fancy joining us?
But in the shape Andy's in, I don't think he's going to be playing any paddle.
Yeah, I don't think Andy's.
It might just be me and you.
Today.
It literally might just be me and you. For context, it is 1:05 in the afternoon and Andrew's still in bed. Granted, it was his birthday yesterday, so we had a good night out. I think me and George, I think we're hitting the wall a bit. I think back in our younger days, we used to be able to stay out. You just wouldn't, it'd be sunrise like that. And now it gets to like 10 PM and I'm feeling it. It's, yeah, humbling. Reading a book, getting a massage, and bed at 8.
Definitely more our kind of nights rather than getting back in at 6 in the morning. So,
Oh,
yeah.
we don't have it in us anymore. Don't tell Andrew. No, I do have it sometimes. Sometimes I have it in me. Oh, hello. I'm good, how are you? Look at this cool wall. It's everyone that's had ice cream, I think, in this place.
Let's just try it out. Is that right?
Bro, you're gonna buy anything. We're just gonna get just free sample after free sample. Don't give him anything else for free. Okay, here's the situation. Andrew hasn't replied to any messages now, and it's been like a good couple of hours, and I don't know, we're a little bit worried, so let's check in on him, make sure he's still alive and kicking. Blinds are still shut. Alright, we need to wake him up. Yeah, that's his room here, and his blinds are still shut. I've never met someone who can sleep as well as that man. Bear in mind, it is now 2:30 in the afternoon and he's still asleep. Like I just banged on the door, not one peep out of the man. How the hell does he sleep like that? I'm so jealous. Look who's awake. How are you feeling?
I feel really bad. I went to bed at like 6 AM. The sun was coming up as I went to bed. I woke up at like 11 o'clock and I was like, I need to sleep.
Yeah, because both of those boys stayed out until 6 AM. I was the smart man. I got home at 3. I had like a really good, nice, wholesome sleep. Didn't even hear them come in, to be fair. You got your 8 hours.
I did indeed. I need my sleep. Like I'm feeling functional now. Still feeling a bit rough. Booze will do it to you. Don't drink.
What's on the agenda for today? Bear in mind, we have to play paddle. The whole theme of this video, I'm gonna get the camera on my chest, get us playing paddle, making it look really cool, have a good competition. But I don't know where we're gonna find our fourth person.
We'll find someone.
We'll find someone.
We'll find someone.
Nice.
Pick someone up off the streets. We'll just take our Gojek driver in with us.
Yeah, so you're up for playing paddle. You're not gonna like go to bed on us.
Oh no way.
Good man. All right.
So you can get more tan this trip, me or George.
Just seemed like the biggest cricket or whatever that I've ever seen. I don't know if it does justice to how big that thing is, but it's like the size of my hand. I remember when I used to go on holiday with friends when I was about 17 or 18 years old, and there'd be non-stop partying and going out and doing things constantly. I'm 24 now, and this is what's currently going on. I've just been stretching out there for the last hour because I have a bad back that's suddenly just hit me when I was 24, and then I'm just constantly injured all the time. He's passed out. Also asleep. So old before our time. Look how nice the sunset is in there.
Yeah,
Feeling ready for some paddle?
I think so.
Does anyone remember when it was the 13th subscriber special in Marbella? That was our peak, and now we're at 53. Big, what's
4x increase.
4x increase, that is true. So now we're just waiting for Andrew to show up.
Yeah.
As soon as you get to like 3 in the morning, you'll hear there'll be people racing.
Yeah, like 100 miles an hour.
But so loud, the bikes are crazy loud. Where is this man? Oh, and he's arrived.
Let's go.
Let's get it.
Payment together or split payment?
We'll pay separately, please.
Okay, split pay for.
We don't have a fourth. Could we get a fourth, by any chance? Is there anyone that is free to play with us?
Yes, we do have.
No, let's get some ASMR. Let's get
Oh,
some-
wait.
It's funny.
Wait.
You ready? Some ASMR. You got to get close.
Oh, that was very satisfying.
So you pay for the basics, but you get performance. Love it.
Oh, well, we got the basic? Why did we get the basic and you've got the...
I think the guy just knew.
What call we on?
Knew that you needed the extra help.
Start with 2.
2.
When this is in the air, you throw the other. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Andrew, what do you think about that?
I've got no idea what
I've got good ball knowledge.
Ball knowledge. Nice to meet you, brother. How are you?
Good.
My name's Ollie. Nice to meet you. Oh!
I got it.
Right, that's the game of paddle done, boys. How was it?
Always good fun.
Always good fun. Who won?
We did.
Well,
No, for sure we won. 100% we won.
We've got 2 paddle veterans here. Of course we won.
Veterans.
Veterans, mate.
Wow, I don't know if that's the word I would
No,
use.
neither.
I've been playing paddle for at least 2 months.
That was so fun. It's just what I love about Bali is that it's like 8 p.m. at night. Everyone's out playing paddle, being active. This is the healthy side of Bali because there is definitely that other unhealthy side where we'll just be boozing right now. But boozing, just having a drink right now. Bit of food. Food? You up for some food?
I'm up for some food.
This is it, boys.
No, mate. No way.
That's it.
Mate, there's a dog in the kitchen.
That is it. It's a takeaway, George. Comment down below who's more wham.
How much did you just use? I'm gonna have to go and buy some more hand sanitizer. I just used half of it.
Andy.
I'll invoice you for that, mate. 10,000.
Boys are just having their first nasi goreng. It's probably my favourite dish now in Indonesia. Highly recommend. Or mie goreng, which is basically it with noodles. All basically the same. But we're going to probably call the vlog here. It's been an awesome day. Paddle here, it's been phenomenal. And we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.